In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your city's Skylines 2 is not starting or opening. Okay, for the first step we go into the search bar here, and here in the search bar we look for the task manager, and in the task manager we see like all processes which run right now. And if you find something here from City Skylines 2, then what we can do here is right click on it, then enter task, because sometimes it can be the case that some background processes from City Skylines 2 run in the background, and these background processes can block the start of the game. So make sure that you right click on these processes and then end the task to fully close the program and make a restart possible. And after that we go into the search bar. Here we look for City Skylines 2 or the launcher you have installed it on. So I installed it on Steam, and what we want to do here is right click on it, then open file location, right click on it again, show more options, and go on properties. By the way, you also can do this with these steps here with City Skylines 2 and Steam. So then click on security, click on edit here, select your account you're logged in with, and then make sure that you allow the full control for the game. So this is really important. Then click on apply, okay. And what you also can do is go on compatibility, and here run this program in compatibility mode. After that, click on disable full screen optimization, and then click on run this program as an administrator. So this is really important. Then click on apply, okay, then you can close this. And yeah, what you also can do is when you have done this, we have to reset your PC, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will definitely find a solution, and then see you next time.